Ryan Breton tracking our forecast. Boy, people who saw the crystal clear skies today, big shift into this evening.
And it's one of those things where the sun that we saw for a couple of hours helped bubble up the clouds and showers.
This situation now.
Exactly. They're very unstable today. You can see that here on the visible satellite. It was really nice in a lot of western and central Maine through the middle of the day today, but the clouds have filled right back in, and now we have many showers out there on the radar. It's not raining everywhere, but you have to look hard to find the dry spots at the moment. There were a few thunderstorms over in New Hampshire that dropped some small hail. We now have one thunderstorm that's weakening as it heads into Casco Bay, but you could hear the thunder in Scarborough, according to Jess Conley. Got a message from her. Farther inland, these were some thunderstorms in the Carrabassett Valley, now just some downpours, but it is raining at a pretty good rate, especially around Farmington, Skowhegan, and Livermore Falls. More showers headed into the Bangor area, and all of this is going to be moving to the east and north over the next couple of hours. 43 in Bar Harbor right now, where we didn't see the sun and we didn't warm up today, and now we have a rain-cooled 45 in Portland. The system pulls away tonight, but tomorrow we're still under its influence, so it will be a cool and breezy day, and there will be a fair amount of clouds out there tomorrow. So by 8 o'clock tonight, we start to dry out over southern and western Maine. Showers continue around Penobscot Bay through northern Maine, and that lasts up there until about 10 or 11 o'clock tonight. The rest of us have a clearing sky. We'll start tomorrow morning in the 30s, and the sunniest part of the day tomorrow in most places will be the morning, and then clouds will bubble up during the middle of the day, and the afternoon turns rather cloudy. There could be some flurries in the high elevations and near the Canadian border, and maybe a spot sprinkle over eastern Maine. Southern Maine should stay dry tomorrow, but it is going to be a gusty day. Winds out of the west may gust at times 25 to 30 miles per hour, with temperatures struggling to hit the 50-degree mark out there tomorrow. Thursday's a bit better. We'll have more sunshine, but it's still a breezy day on Thursday. And then Friday will be sunniest in the morning. We're likely to have clouds coming in Friday afternoon, and there could be some evening showers on Friday. That's one thing the model started showing today, so that's a possibility. Friday evening we could have some rain showers. On Saturday, we're going to be on the warm side of this front, and there will likely be some scattered showers on Saturday, but there's some real upside potential to the temperatures if we see any breaks of sunshine. 70 degrees is possible inland on Saturday. Wouldn't happen down east where the wind comes in off the water, but there is some optimism in the Saturday forecast, even though some showers will be around. Seas tomorrow 4 to 6 feet with a gusty southwest wind on the water. So a few sprinkles inland tomorrow, otherwise a lot of clouds. It's brisk and chilly with highs in the upper 40s to around 50. Better on Thursday, mostly sunny and still breezy. Friday we touch 60 inland. Chance for a few showers Friday night. And then on Saturday we're still on the warm side of the front. So if we see enough sun, we could get into the 60s to near 70 inland. Sunday, Easter Sunday, does look decent right now, developing sun with highs in the 50s. So even though there's a little rain this weekend, Brian, it's not like a big rainstorm.
Which is a nice change, and the weekend before, and the weekend before. And the warmer temperature is also helpful.
Yes.
Knowing it'll be a warmer rain.
Hope so.
Ryan, thank you.
Yeah.